Hey guys, Meryl here with your Ski and Ride Vermont Snow Report for December 19th. How about them powder days, eh? Hopefully you got to see it out there for yourself, but if you missed it, you're here in the right place. The snow's been coming down fast and heavy here in Vermont, and Sunday's powder day was just one really awesome day in a string of pretty awesome ones. Just how much snow is out there, you ask? Let's do some math. Before last weekend, most Vermont resorts started out with 5 to 8 inches of snow on the slopes. Add to that another half foot on Saturday, and then the dumping on Sunday, anywhere between 8 and 14 inches then, and even a couple inches here and there on Monday. That was all followed up by another storm on Tuesday that left as much as 5 inches for southern Vermont shredders. And that all adds up to 2 feet last week in the Green Mountains. Not too shabby for the middle of December. And if the snow has got you raring to go and you want to get someone else riled up too, bring a friend. It's a great time to learn to ride. The snow is soft and Vermont resorts are throwing free lessons and discounts your way, starting on World Snowboard Day on December 22nd. To celebrate this International Day of Standing Sideways, Killington and Pico are offering free lessons and rentals, and Okemos got free board demos, giveaways, and discounts on Learn to Ride packages. Plus, Stratton's hosting another flash mob. Last year's was a blast with a free clinic and free Burton demos. Head to ridevermont.com for more details. All right, we're good on the snow, I think. If you can't make it out for World Snowboard Day, don't worry. The new year kicks off Learn to Ski and Ride Month in January, which means beginners can get a ticket, lesson, and rentals for just $29 almost anywhere they want to go in Vermont. skivermont.com/learn has more info on that if you want to get ready. Weather-wise, we're finally going to get a little relief from this bitter cold snap, so your weekend laps should be soft ones. It might be a little wet to the south, but pretty white to the north, with temperatures in the mid-30s to low 40s. Check your local weatherman for more on that. Also coming up this weekend, Killington's K-Town Showdown. They're setting up 2 rail jams and a slopestyle competition for all you park rats out there on Saturday, the 21st. I'll leave you this week with a teaser for C3, the latest Carinthia Parks production, premiering Saturday, the 21st at Mount Snow. So, with that, happy holidays, folks, and have fun out there. Too complex.